starts real nice and easy. You know, then
Because he was such a huge snorer that the kids and I would just go down to the basement.
I would snore so loud it would wake me up.
Introducing Brez. It's new and clinically proven to significantly reduce snoring. Brez is revolutionary because it works like no other product. During sleep, nasal passages relax and narrow, restricting airflow and causing soft tissue in the nasal passages to vibrate. Brez is the only product that goes directly where help is needed. The soft, comfortable device keeps nasal passages open to allow healthy, unobstructed breathing, and there's a fit for almost every nose. Brez is made from soft, pliable, medical-grade material. It's the snoring solution that's been clinically proven to significantly reduce snoring.
I actually think I love Brez.
Breathe easy with Brez and sleep closer.